Hi, the Inspired Actor here with today's bonus archetypal gesture of Wring. As with all gestures, there are many ways to do this, but this is the form I'll teach you today. Wring. Begin in a neutral stance. Feet shoulder width apart, arms at your side, chest open and radiating. Inhale. Reach forward with both hands, with your palms facing down, and grab the space in front of you as you would a rolled towel. Your arms should be extended but not locked. Keep exhaling through the following. Continuing to imagine that you have an object in both hands, twist your hands in opposing directions while bringing the imagined object to your right hip. Your left hand should be twisting counterclockwise while your right hand twists clockwise. Allow your knees to come together during the movement so that your whole body is being used to wring the imaginary object. Your head is also turning during the gesture so that you are looking towards your backspace. While maintaining the pose, turn your head towards your scene partner and radiate the feeling of the gesture towards them with your full, concentrated energy. Once you sense the gesture is at an end, return to neutral. Do not rush the ending of the gesture or let it continue after you feel it has concluded. Of course, if you would like, you can reverse the gesture towards your left hip while twisting your wrists in the opposite direction. I find it much more comfortable to twist my opposing wrist in an upward direction when I do this, but your body might be different. What's important is that you are getting the feeling of wringing from the gesture. I like this gesture a lot. It feels like a mixture of pulling and dominating, and can be used to wring information from someone, to twist them up inside, to make someone squirm or make them uncomfortable. It's hard for me to imagine using this in a positive way though, so if you have any ideas, please let me know in the comments. Finally, as with all gestures, don't forget to use your full body and breath, and especially remember your feeling of ease and your feeling of form. See you guys later.